Welcome to Scratch 2, Year 5, Lesson 2, the Maze Game. This is in the new Primary Computing Curriculum 2014. Scratch is a visual programming language, and in Scratch you connect graphical blocks together to create programs. A computer program is just a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. You write these instructions using a programming language, and this Scratch is a drag and drop programming language. The pupils are able to explore and develop their computational thinking using Scratch, and the pupils will be able to learn sequence, loops, parallelism, events, conditions, operators and data. They learn how to be iterative and incremental, testing and debugging, reusing and remixing, and abstracting, modularizing. These are the objectives for Lesson 2. You can write programs that accomplish specific goals, use sequence, inputs, various outputs, debug programs, and use repetition in loops. Also, a very big thank you to Peter Wilson at Wolverhampton University and the British Computer Society for helping me create the backdrop for the maze. And also, this is an adaptation of Jeremy Scott's at the Royal Society of Edinburgh. It converts the Scratch 1.4 to Scratch 2, and it is watered down for primary school. This lesson is in 6 parts, 6 tasks. And the objective of the lesson is to get Gobo to the centre of the maze. Gobo has to stay on the red path. If he goes on to the blue path, he will go back to the beginning. When he gets to the beetle, Gobo will say something to the beetle. So you navigate, so you click the green flag, and using the arrow keys, the down arrow keys, you can see Gobo is facing downwards. He will turn right. I'll use the right arrow key, and as you can see, I'm very poor at playing computer games. He turns to the right and he faces right. You now use the up arrow and he faces upwards. He's now going to turn left. He's now going to go down. Slightly down, because if he goes on to the blue, you'll go back to the beginning. And this is usually where I always go back to the beginning. And I'm hoping slightly down, goes up, turns left, and Gobo says, "I am going to eat you." Good luck.